The LOCALSAFE Forklift Proximity Warning System prevents forklift collisions with real-time distance alerts. You can wear any one of these tags to ensure safety. The system uses high-accuracy UWB technology to measure distances. Tags transmit ID signals, which anchors capture for real-time tracking. If a safety threshold is breached, instant audible and visual alarms will activate to prevent collisions. It is applicable to various scenarios such as vehicle-vehicle, person-of-vehicle, and corner collision scenarios.